back to my channel, and today we'll be making shawarma. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get right into this video. So yeah, in my previous video, which is the vegetable salad I made, I told you I'll be showing you how I shredded my cabbage. So this is exactly how I did it. Very simple, very easy, instead of grating it. So I preferred this method actually. So the next thing is how I grated my carrots. Just normal grating, and it was quite easy too. You can see how I'm doing it. Just keep grating, but please be careful because it's peeled off or it's cut off my nails, which I didn't like it. But just be careful so you don't get injury or injured. Yeah, sorry. So that's it. That's basically how I grated my carrots. So let's get right into the ingredients. So these are the ingredients I used: sausage, shawarma bread, of course. This is cabbage, and this is salad cream mixed with pepper. I like spicy shawarma, so if you don't want anything spicy, you can just use salad cream, you know. So let's get right into the filling of the shawarma bread. So as you can see, I filled in my carrot first. You can fill in any of the two first, doesn't really matter. So this is me pouring in my mixture. I will show you how I mix this. It's quite simple and quite easy. Just pour in your salad cream, then pour in the pepper and mix it up, mix it together. I prefer, like I said, I prefer spicy shawarma. I prefer anything spicy. So if you don't want anything spicy, just add your salad cream. Just use salad cream, it's fine. And you can use beef or chicken, but like the title says, simple and easy, basic shawarma. Do you understand? So this is just a basic shawarma, but I should be making shawarma with chicken and beef very soon. My next video should be probably meat pie. Yeah, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and if you subscribed or if you want to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. It's that easy. Do you understand? So that is how you roll your shawarma. Very easy. I hope you saw that. That's how you roll it. Make sure it's properly rolled. You don't want your filling pouring out. Do you understand? So that's just how you roll it. So simple. This cooking thing is easy. So the next thing you have to do, heat a fry pan, then put it in it just for it to eat for some seconds. And the main reason why you're doing this is just for the bread. You need the bread to be eaten in a way. So, and also for your filling to be eaten as well. I like warm shawarma, not hot but warm shawarma. So yeah, that's basically all you have to do. Then once you're satisfied eating it, then you take it out and start rolling. Actually, start covering it with probably a paper or a foil paper. So I didn't have a paper, so I used a foil paper. Easily, you don't want your filling pouring out, just easily take it out and that's it. Voila. Simple, yeah. So this is me covering up with a foil paper because you can't enjoy eating it without covering it up here. So that's just it. You can use a paper like I said, but I don't have a paper, so I decided to use foil paper because it's quite easy for me to use, and that is what I have actually. So yeah, this is our shawarma. I hope you're enjoying this video anyways. Don't forget to try also and let me know in the comment section. It's quite easy, trust me. So this is our shawarma. I'm trying to have a taste, just to taste how, yeah, just to taste it. To taste how it tasted actually. So I took a small bite, right, so that nothing is showing here. So let me take a big bite so you can see. Seriously, this shawarma was really nice. Like, I was so happy I made this. Trust me, I was extremely happy I made it. So that's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. There is no two way about it. And if it's that you have beef or chicken, you can still fill it in as well, the way you filled in your cabbage and carrot, and that's all. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to